Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel CS and IT Tutorials by Vrishali. So today I will show you one of the best career essential generative AI course by Microsoft with LinkedIn. But before that we will discuss why generative AI important and matters in your career. So generative AI basically means to generate different content, like to generate ideas, designs, solutions, code, everything like ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot. So we all are familiar with this tool, right? Next thing, generative AI boosts productivity. They automate various repetitive tasks and focus on high value work. Next thing, generative AI improve decision making. Also they increase employability. And that's why generative AI nowadays used in each and every field for content generation, code generation, chatbot and automation, innovation and problem solving, data analysis, and image creation. That's why generative AI matters. Now, the next thing is future jobs that powered by generative AI. Because nowadays we heard AI, generative AI, agentic AI everywhere, right? So, generative AI certification is must mention in your resume because they powered by multiple AI jobs like AI prompt engineer to derive effective prompt to generate the best result. Next one is AI content strategist to create engaging content using AI tools. Then AI developer, AI engineer to build AI solutions that will be effective in our society. Next, data scientist, data analyst, and AI product manager. So these all are the future ready jobs in AI. And that's why generative AI certification is important in your resume. So basically it can be used in all domains like IT and software, marketing, hospital, finance, education, design and media, customer support and many more. Every domain, every organization use AI, generative AI concept. That's why this certification matters. And you need to mention this certificate in your resume. That will be plus point for you. So let's discuss about the certificate. So just go to official LinkedIn site, that is opportunity.linkedin.com. I have mentioned this link in below description box as well. Now just go to artificial intelligence section. So basically here all courses are available for free through 2027. Now this artificial intelligence section, there are total 7 free courses based on AI and generative AI, like the course on human skill in age of AI, then Microsoft Azure AI Essential, Career Essential in Generative AI. The next course is Productivity with Generative AI, Microsoft Copilot by Productivity, AI for Organizational Leaders, and AI for Manager. So these total 7 courses are completely free. Now let's see here in this course, Career Essential in Generative AI. So in this course you will learn about understanding of generative AI model, then learn some ethical consideration using generative AI. Also you can explore impact of generative AI tool and basics of Microsoft 365 Copilot. So this is the best course for beginner. So just click on this link. Okay. Now see here. So this is a completely 4-hour 18-minute course and there are total 5 items and this is a beginner friendly course. Okay. Now see. So in this course there are total 5 modules. First module is based on what is generative AI, that is 1 hour module. Second module is based on your top AI question answer, AI literacy for everyone, that is 49 minute. Third module is learning Microsoft 365 Copilot for work, 49 minute of module. Next one is ethics in age of generative AI and next one is everyday AI concept. So after completing these 5 modules, there will be a exam. So that is completely MCQ based exam. So you need to attempt this exam and after that only you will achieve your certificate. So these are the instructor for this course and these instructors are also as expert like AI director, Gen AI product lead, technology coach, then again president and teaching fortune professional. So these all are the expert for this course. That's why it is good for beginners. Now just click on the first module, that is generative AI. Wait a second. Okay. So in this first module, again there are total 5 modules are there. Like first one is introduction, then what is generative AI. So here you will learn about generative AI working, how to create content. Then you will learn about natural language model, text to image application, generative adversarial network. So after every module there was the quiz. 5 to 6 questions are there. It is completely MCQ based. Then future of AI, ethics and responsibility. Then again working with generative AI. So here you will learn about how LLM work with API and real-time interaction. So after completing this module, there was the exam. So I have already attempted this exam. That's why retake exam option is there. But when you are attempting this exam first time, take exam option is there. So just click on this option, take exam, and total 10 MCQs are there. Okay. And again exam is simple, easy questions are there. Now after completing this first module, second module is AI literacy for everyone. So you need to complete all this module. Okay. See here. So this is your third module. That is based on Microsoft 365 Copilot. So here you will learn about how to analyze data, how to create and improve your presentation, prompt engineering, and again a sample quiz is there. So in this way you need to you need to completed all these 5 modules and also attempt quiz. Quiz attention is compulsory, right? So after covering or completing all these 5 modules, there will be a exam. So after attempting this exam, after pass this exam, you will get this kind of certificate, that is Career Essential in Generative AI by Microsoft and LinkedIn, and your name, your completion time, and you will cover these tools or skills like computer ethics, artificial intelligence, and generative AI. So you can mention this official certificate in your resume. This is the plus point for you because you will mention the certificate regarding LinkedIn and Microsoft, right? These are the big name. So this is a good opportunity for you. So I am suggesting you must complete this course, attempt the quiz, and achieve your certificate. You can also complete all this remaining course as per your interest, like productivity generative AI, Microsoft Copilot, like this. Okay. So this is all about. All the best. Thank you. And please subscribe my channel and also share this with your friends. That will be beneficial for everyone. Thank you.